And here we are at part 3. I'm going to calculate the internal return for each of the products. Okay, so here I've got that same $170,000 that was required as the investment. Here are my annual cash flows. This is the same information that was provided up here, right? So there's my $60,000 and there was the 170 it takes me to get that every year. Okay, so then I'm going to factor the internal rate of return, which is just dividing this 60,000 divided by the 170, and I come up with a factor of 2.833. So I am now going to head over to my table, and so I have to, again, I'm going to follow that 5-year period over, and I'm going to look for something that is close to the 2.833 on the 5-year line. 2.833, and it's sort of right in between the 22% and the 23%. Again, I don't think you can see my mouse moving around, but that's what I'm highlighting, is this 5th row in between 22 and 23%. So the problem calls this 22.5%. All right, so that's what we're going to call it, is the 22.5%. Now, I do the same thing for product B, the 130,000 annual cash flow divided by the initial outlay of the buying the piece of equipment, and I come up with a 2.923 factor. Doesn't mean anything quite yet. We're going to come over here, the 2.93. That's about this one. That's pretty darn close, 2.92. That's at 21%. So that's what I've put right here. All right, and so the internal rate of return is 22.5%, and that's higher than 21, so that one is, that's why that's highlighted right there. Okay, and I'll do the 4th one in the next video.